Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Heavy Rain. Never played it before, but we will be playing it. What's this? Please shade in the brightness shader. There we go.
There were certain status symbols in text that indicated you were a success.
I play video games often. Okay. And guys, if you hear like Young Sheldon in the background, that's because I'm watching Young Sheldon while playing the game. And if this game's like fake and I get hacked, is that even possible? Never played this game before. I showed that to prove you guys I hadn't played this game. I haven't watched it, I haven't nothing. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, he has underwear on. I thought I was about to like not be able to film this. I thought I was about to be like cooked. You know what else would I cook? I'm joking. Bruh. Okay, I think I might get canceled. I think dudes in their underwear is illegal. But here's what I like to say. If I show meat can show his meat. That was kind of odd. I had to control him. Chat. Wow, that was close up. Yeah, I know how to move. Oh no, I hate this game already. What do I hit? How do you open it? How do I? Bruh. To and go left click and move the mouse to left click. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I'm about to hurt myself. Okay. Okay, I guess he might have lost his wife. I want to say something, but I'm not going to. What? Yeah, you all definitely hear that. It's just Young Sheldon. Maybe this? Yeah, this is
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Okay, I think the show is about he lost his kids or something. Let's go! What's the point of opening that? At any time you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding down. Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
I hate this game already. It's not a good game, it looks like. Well, actually, I take it back. It's got some good details. Oh, that's why you have to do that. I hope I get to shoot in this game, and it's not full. Bertie! That's definitely a spy for the U.S. government. Watch me not get shot the next day for figuring them out. No.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
That's why I was trying to go back, you black bird. I said bird. A black bird. Guys, he's just a little black bird. So guess what? Technically, I said nothing. Okay, now that's not gonna be okay. I hit D! Dang it. Okay, that's not fun. You gotta be quick about it. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. A. B. S. W. A. S. Okay. Let's put those back. Okay, I already like this game a little bit. Shower. I think the shower is right here. Let's take a that. Whoa! Whoa! Is he about to show his shit? His junk? Okay, he's not. Okay. Why do they have so much toilet paper? They definitely stocked up on toilet paper. Bro, flush that thing. Okay, here it is. Here's the shower. Is he about to show us his booty cheeks? I don't want to see his booty cheeks. Okay? Ow, he just cut himself. Okay, I guess I gotta kind of do it slowly. Okay, there we go. Got us a nice haircut. Okay, now let's take us a good shower. Okay, brush them teeth. We got to brush the teeth. This game is a long game, I can already tell. Oh, this is not that hard. Okay. There we go. He only brushed on the one side, but that's okay. And now he's brushing on that side. Okay, sorry for that. I was just doing it fast. Because I'm done looking at his underwear. I want to see him have clothes on. Turn your head to... Whoa! 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 I can see a booty! No. This might not be appropriate. Ah!